So I can pretty much guarantee you that 90% of people that watch our videos, engineers out there, have vertical machining centres, and you may be looking for a new one at the moment, and if you are, maybe you should consider this, what I'm going to show you from Spinner. This is the VC750. You can buy these machines in the UK from Whitehouse Machine Tools. I specifically picked this machine out to look at because I know Spinner for crafting and selling 5-axis machines, and they're very good at it as well. I have seen some of their VMCs, but mainly they're bigger machines, and I've not seen one of this size. This has got 760 in the X-axis, 460mm in the Y. It does have a 12,000 RPM spindle on this machine, which is either a BT or BT40 or SK40, but you can have the option of HSK as well. Now, I think for me, one of the reasons, the main reason, beyond what I've just said, that I picked this machine out is because of the size. I know how important footprint is for manufacturers. I know that they need to get as much working envelope or within a small footprint, as much bang for their buck. Now, this machine sits, as you'll see, within a 2 metre by 1.7 metre footprint, so it's a small machine. It has that 760mm X-axis. Another point before we conclude, this control, touchscreen control here, looks pretty snazzy. That what I do know is that these machines can come with Siemens or Heidenhain as an option. So if you are looking for a new machine tool, a new machining centre, this is an option. You can get these from Whitehouse Machine Tools in the UK. You can visit their website at WMTCNC.com.